statewide Amber Alert has been issued on behalf of the Sullivan County Sheriff's Office for Evelyn Mae Boswell.
That's local.
Evelyn is a 15-month-old white female, 2 feet tall, 28 pounds, with blonde hair and blue eyes. Evelyn was last seen wearing a pink tracksuit, pink shoes, and a pink bow. Evelyn was entered as a missing child on Tuesday, February 18, 2020, but was reportedly last seen on December 26, 2019. If you have any information regarding the whereabouts of Evelyn, please contact the Sullivan County Sheriff's Office at 423-279-7330 or by 1-800-TRACE-BI-FIND.